Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you a singing straw workout, and we're going to be talking about how you can optimize your voice with the singing straw. The singing straw is amazing. It is a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which just means that your mouth is partially closed, but I will leave a link below so that you can get a singing straw. If you want, you can get 20% off with my promo code CM Vocal Coach. And okay, let's talk about it. When it comes to training the voice, it's all about getting the voice to learn new coordinations in order to override old habits and create new ones. Now, this is how we improve our singing voice. It's how we develop our vocal technique, and you have to keep practicing, in order to override those old coordinations and really replace them with those new improved ones. But this requires a lot of repetition and a lot of patience. So using the singing straw over time on a daily basis is going to teach your voice those healthy coordinations that will improve your overall vocal health and the condition of your voice, and it will really help to improve your singing voice overall. So the singing straw will help when it comes to helping your voice vocalize with ease and less muscular effort. It is good voice therapy, so if your voice is fatigued, if you're recovering from a cold or whatever, it's going to help your voice to get back on track much quicker, and it will help you to smooth out your register breaks, so that pesky passaggio, your mixed voice, is going to help to improve that, and also breath management over time is going to help to improve your airflow. So let me just take you through a quick daily singing straw workout.
So just starting out with our pitch glides, going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down again. You can do this for a couple of minutes. If you need to pause this recording, then you can do so. Just feeling out your voice and where it's at. And only going as comfortable as it feels. Adding a little bit of vocal fry really gives the vocal cords a good massage, so you can add that in there too. Now we're moving on to our hills. You're just imagining that you're going over hills with the sound of your voice. Really engaging your abdominal muscles as you do this, really awakening your support system. Next, we're taking it to the scale. Just take your time and slide through the notes. Be mindful of your airflow. Try to stay really chilled as we ascend. Good. Be mindful of airflow. And keeping it nice and chilled. Sliding through the notes. Next, you've got to really manage your airflow with this one. Stay chilled and take it easy. goes through some good movement. Keep it nice and strong on the bottom note. That way it will support the top. Good. And we're almost done. Amazing. Last one.
So once you've done the straw on the scale, you can then take it to your favorite song melody and do the straw on that melody, and that is going to complete your singing straw workout. That's it for the singing straw workout. Do it daily and I promise you will notice improvements with your voice. 100%. Get 20% off your singing straw with my promo code CM Vocal Coach. See the below link. Also, if you want to improve your voice and building good vocal habits, then join our 7-day free voice health and mindset challenge. With the 7-day challenge, you'll receive daily voice workouts as well as health and mindset tasks that will just take 10 minutes a day, just 10 minutes a day to really help, building good vocal habits and improve your overall singing. Now, download our Voice Savvy app, and you can get it on the App Store and Google Play, and there's also a desktop version, links below. And if you're new to this channel, then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. But that is it from me, and enjoy the rest of the week, and I will see you soon. Peace.